Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we have a 1972 C10 pick-em-up truck today. And what I like about it, it's gorgeous, condition's excellent, but it has power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, a stereo. It's so comfortable to sit in. You can use this truck. Get in, use it. I wouldn't deliver mulch to your yard, but you can make use of this truck, run around town with it. It's a good turnkey vehicle. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this truck and a few hundred other collector cars and trucks, all at volocars.com. But first, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin right now. It's a Southern truck and the body is clean. I mean, this thing is like a red mirror. I'm looking into the sides of it and I can see the reflection like a red mirror. The gaps are nice and square. It's smooth. There's no bubbles, no blistering. Actually, I didn't see any flaws anywhere in the paint, and I just went around it before we started here. So excellent, excellent body. Looks like it was dipped in red paint. It is just slick. It's a bright red. It's smooth and shiny, and everything looks new. The marker lights, the hardware looks like it's stainless steel. New tail lights. These are LED tail light brake lights in it. Well, I know they're tail lights. I'm not sure if they're brake lights. Tailgate does open. It's got new hardware. It's got a recessed license plate in the chrome bumper. Like I said, new marker lights. It's a step side. New 17-inch wheels. Fatter tire in the back for a little bit of hot rod stance. The whole truck's been lowered. New door handles, bow tie mirrors. All the rubber gaskets are new around the front and back windows. All the windows are new. It's all smoked glass. It's not the stick-on tint. It's smoked glass. It's all new. It has a cowl hood. It's metal. Even the wipers are shiny. Custom grille. Look at the bumper. Got some fog lamps built right into the bumper there. It's got a nice 350 motor under the hood. At least 300 horsepower. It's got Hedman headers. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake, a Demon carb with electric choke, HEI ignition, and this is show quality under here. Nice set of matching thinned aluminum valve covers, breather, oval air cleaner. Really nice job under the hood. New door handles, the locks are shiny. Yeah, the hardware, the bolts, everywhere I look, even inside here between the cab and the bed, all new hardware, and it looks like stainless. The interior is completely redone. The seat is very comfortable. It's a brand new seat. Got a little fold down armrest. The whole inside of the cab was painted red, so all the metal is really nice and shiny like the outside. Look at the door jambs. Bottom of the door is clean. Again, all the hardware. New weather strips. So the whole dash area is painted. New dash pad. Everything's new. The bezel around the key, the shift indicator, the levers, the knobs, the cigarette lighter, the window cranks. The instrument bezel's new. Has a really nice set of electronic analog gauges. There's less than 1,600 miles on this truck since it's been built. Getting back under the hood, chrome power brake booster with a Wilwood master cylinder. It does have power steering. Whole front of the motor is chrome, the alternator, the air conditioner, the pulleys. It's got a billet bracket. It's a vintage heat and air system, very neatly installed. Big radiator, new shroud, electric fan. All the metals painted glossy. You got gloss black, and then you got gloss red firewall and inner fenders. Even the inside of the fenders are gloss red. They put in 3-point retractable seat belts on each side. It has a stereo system with built-in kick panel speakers. Nice aluminum sill plates here. It's a new tilt column with a deluxe steering wheel. New visors, new mirror. It's all new inside. Inside the bed, the metal is just as nice as the outside. It's perfect. It's not beat up, no rust, no pitting. All stainless hardware. It's got new refinished oak strips with, again, stainless slats in between to hold the wood in place. New carpet. The seat may not look like much, but it's real comfortable. It's got support in all the right places. It feels real good. Got the armrest. We'll fire it up. It's a cold start. This is Monday morning. This has been sitting in here since Saturday. That's how the gauges are lit up. A nice, looks like an LED, a nice, like turquoise color. MagnaFlow exhaust has a distinct sound. That's right, I didn't talk about the bottom yet. Underneath the truck, the front end is rebuilt. It's got a sway bar. It's got a real nice stainless steel fat exhaust system with the X pipe in the middle, MagnaFlow mufflers. When I heard it, I thought to myself, it sounds like MagnaFlow, and I remember looking under there. It is MagnaFlow. Whole underneath the truck is clean, painted. It's a Turbo 400 automatic transmission with the chrome pan on the bottom. Up front, those are Wilwood drilled and slotted disc brakes. So like I was saying, this is a truck you just get in and drive it. It's show quality, but a nice day, use it. If you have a business of any kind, you put this into your business name and it's all a tax write-off. Any expense, putting new oil change or tires or whatever, it's all a business expense. You just get a magnet, you put your name on the door, and it is a great promotional tool. Yeah, it runs perfectly fine. Each car starts a little different. Some you gotta hit the gas pedal once, some you gotta pump. I hopped in this thing not knowing, and it's not warmed up, but it runs perfectly. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer all your questions. We'll do more video, more pictures, help you with shipping, financing. We make it easy to shop from home. So do visit the website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as they come out. Thanks for watching.